Page 69. What the fuck? So ये कैसे करें? Oh fuck. Golang, Golang bro. Friend. Uh, Return file operations. Okay, so welcome back. Look like you have completely leveled up from basics file operations to jump from shy to the go superpower, go routine and channels here. Your pizza shop's example is a perfect way to learn concurrency. However, because of channel blocks, until you someone is ready to receive, you are rather than fully concurrent query. Let's dive into the advanced channel operations. To make your pizza shop fast and safe and truly concurrent. Concurrency is like what the fuck is concurrency? To know all this stuff. Oh, consistent data, consistent connection. What kind of vibration is this in my fucking ear, man? Like what the fuck? It's beeping like I'm dead right now. Power of select handling multiple channels. Right now, we are waiting for prices in strict loop. What if delivery driver finishes a delivery while you are calculating bill? Then select statement lets you go routine to wait on the multiple channels and operations at the same time. This is time and we are creating a channel here, make channel and go function. We are going to sleep here, time not sleep for 2 seconds and pizza channel is like we are passing the value as pepperoni pizza here and then back to the fridge is fast. Fridge is fast. Time not sleep and 500. What is difference between 500 and 2? Oh, you're saying that 2 is like 2 seconds and 500 is like 500 milliseconds? Grab whichever item finishes first, select pizza. Oh, okay. Buffered channel don't block the chip. Unbuffered channels make chan end, forces sender to stop and wait until receiver takes the data. If cacher is busy, then chef stands still. Buffered channel let you queue up work items so the chef can keep cooking. Keep cooking, keep cooking. Turn your or let's turn your pizza shop into highly performance real-time backend service. We are going to build the worker pool. Wow. Instead of opening the new restaurant for every pizza order, which is what spanning uncontrolled go routing does, We will hire a fixed number of chefs, workers to process an infinite stream of orders, jobs, blueprints of worker pool. We will use an order channel to send pizza orders to the kitchen. Order channels. Create an order channel then. We are going to create an order channel. Yeah, let me see. So we'll just comment on this thing. Comment this thing. Order channel. What is sync? What does the sync does? I want me to create a type of order also. ID is going to be integer. I don't have to. Type is going to be string. So we have order. Oh my god, I need a fucking cleanup. Nah, it's fine. Type is going to be order and struct is going to contain my ID which is going to be integer. Integer and type is going to be string. And we are going to create an chef function which is going to pull my ID as integer. There's order as channel order and cells also going to be channel channel. What is WG now? WG sync wait. Okay. WG pointer sync SYN sync dot wait group. Did it import or not? I did import. Do you need something else? You need the OS. I don't need the OS. Can I just create a new file itself? So I start. Defer is going to avoid my running of something until it is done. For every order, yeah, range of orders. We don't have orders here. Expected boolean value. Oh, it's supposed to be order. Then where do we have the order? Oh my bad. fmt.printf. Chef D is for digit and started cooking. Order started cooking order. What? Let me make it small. Started cooking order and I need S and everything like we need S like where are we printing the string right now? We are not printing a string. I don't see any string here. Like what is hash D now? And haven't we used any order thing right? Like, we're not using the order. We're using it. I see. So it is going to have my ID. Oh, I see order type. Now I get it why you use this thing here. It should be my order dot type now. We're going to have my, so first we can include our ID and order dot type for the type of pizza. Now we have time which will get inputted automatically, I guess. Sleep until time dot second, and we are taking a price variable where we are using the switch case and switching upon the order type, and for every case pizza type we are going to switch the price, I guess, again. Pepperoni pizza, and which is going to be my price of 50. Do you have to use a break statement? I don't use break statement. Cheese pizza is going to have the price of 30, and my default case is going to have price of 20. Oh, I don't need to, I don't need to create a variable. I'm just assigning the value. I see. Now we have, after this sleep timer we can just write a command. It's going to delay my execution, maybe execution, or like maybe give result later. Now until default we have this thing, and after default I have to print my current thing, which is like printf, and chef is going to again my d thing here, like my order ID and order of type going to be my type of pizza, and I'm finished order order b again. After that, price of d slash m, which is going to be my price. I don't need the type here, I need a price. First one is like my ID of the chef, second is my order ID, third is my price, and what the result as to, I forgot this shit. Oh yeah, we are passing the value now. Result, not result, price. Yep, Indian bro. Oh, डबल टाइम्स डाल दिया लॉल, ये क्या हो गया? सही तो है, अच्छा मैंने रिजल्ट नहीं बनाया कहीं पे, सवाल नाम है क्या? रिजल्ट तो है भाई, इसने रिजल्ट डाला, मैंने रिजल्ट डाला, बट चलना तो चाहिए था. व्हाट इट सेज इज कांट रिसीव ओनली चैनल इन रिजल्ट. गैप आएगा क्या? क्या इशू हो गया इसमें? Invalid operations cannot send to receive only channels. Variable type of, but variable type तो channel यही तो लेना था. रिसर्च चैनल बनाया इंटीजर टाइप का, रिसर्च चैनल में इंटीजर टाइप का, wg वेट ग्रुप सिंक में से निकाला, डिफर अंटिल इट इज डन, एंड ऑर्डर का ये जो भी है ये काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? व्हाट द फक. Can you say what is the issue with the result channel down there? Yes, sir. I am Indian. Channel into what? What does it says? Oh, okay. I see. Ah, receive nahi. वो करना था. What the fuck? What do you fuck do you say that thing like giving the value, not taking the value. This is for giving the value, and for using the value we have something else, I guess. For using the value we have कहाँ गया वो? How do you use that? How do we pass the chat value? That is shan value, right? And for accessing we use something different like bro, something like this, I guess. I don't remember shan or something. You have logic perfectly right, but exact syntax depends upon whether you are declaring a function argument or performing an action, sending or receiving data. Inside a function signature type definition, shan int is send only data and this is receive only data. If it is in the front side, then it's going to receive the data. If it is in the back side, it is going to send the data. Simple. Front receives a back send. Cool. Now we have the pizza function chef chef. What does it say? It says argument order ID is a type of different thing. Like I see order ID. Maybe I can pass an ID here. Maybe I can pass an D here, so it doesn't complain to me. There we go. So we have the order channel now. We are going to order the pizza inside a main. So you already had the order channel. Order channel is going to be order channel बनाने के लिए क्या करते हैं main and chan and type of order. This is going to this and then is my value and build channel. I need to create a build channel. But I removed it. So my build channel, what was build channel was having previously. You don't have a build channel. I had a build channel. I don't even need something like fine. Chan integer and is going to have my value as step. Now for we need the WG also, like saying sync dot wait group for each chef ID. What does this mean? Oh, okay. I understand. There's like for loop, but fucking crazy. Instead of I, he wrote something different, so I got confused. We have three. Until then, you go and chef ID plus plus happens, and there won't be any. What do you call this? Parenthesis, right? I don't know what does WG add means. Will it will it only wait for the one thing or like what is that? Go is like calling my go routine and chef. Yeah, we are passing the what do you call the thing argument, right? Build channel and we are passing by reference or like, They are passing by reference, right? For the ampersand is like ampersand is passed by reference, right? And this is this is the pass by value, right? But does users actually go strictly pass by value language, however, and then the pointer is used. Ampersand and pointer is used to work with the pointers, memory addresses, which allows you to achieve the behavior of pass by reference. Addresses of the operator. That's what I was trying to say. You're referring something, but here you're like passing of a value. Holds a value is like you're going to change the value itself, but this is going to refer it. It doesn't matter. We have go routine on now. Now we have to run, what do you call the thing? But we don't even have a veggie pizza in my pizza menu, I guess. Let me add a veggie pizza. Or maybe you're trying to get the, what do you call that thing? All these are like $20, not 20. And now we have created the check function for that, and we are passed ran our go routine right now. So I need the channel now. All we are going to do with a different method. So after creating my go thing, now we are going to create pizza orders. Pizza orders are like array of pizzas. Should be like this. String type. Going to have my pepperoni pizza, cheese pizza, veggie pizza, and blah 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 blah. Now get the default value, which is like invalid pizza type. Now we have to iterate over the pizza itself, I guess. Like type, comma pizza type in range. Nice range. Range of pizza orders. Inside my pizza order, pizza type is going to be orders. We are passing value now. What was the I forgot again. Send value. Receive. Sending. Now we are sending. Now we are sending the order. Which is going to be ID I plus 1. Type is going to be my pizza not pizza pizza order dot type. Don't you have it? How did already already we destructured the pizza type. What does close mean now? Why have we closed the order channel directly? Can I write a function inside this? I don't think we can write a function. Can we really write a function inside my main? What the fuck? I was writing everything outside till now. But it complains. Oh, it doesn't complain. If I write my function as int A, int B, my parent time, may return A plus B. maybe print f empty dot is going to be having a d first one. Maybe first one d second one. My first value is going to be a and second value. So it doesn't matter. Ready declare undefined a, but have it. But I have it. It should be first value and after that. Why is it complaining? I can't declare it, but how the fuck this is working? Directional channel check parameters. Oh fuck, this is crazy, right? Some of the stuffs are going above my head right now. This wait group, I understood the thing what it does, but after few things, like, what the fuck is close here and all these things I can't understand. We have a go routine here. This go routine is going to be running in a different thread right now, and a function is going to get called, and this will wait forever, I guess. So you're saying like WG is going to wait until my three chefs uh, is going to prepare the fucking pizza. Ah, bro, what the fuck? Why are you closing the bill? Totalizer loop knows when to close. This or totalizer loop. This is totalizer loop. Yeah, after my build channel. Ah, I see. This is running on top of build channel. This is going to be my price inside it. We are getting a total bill here, storing it. Once my bill is closed, then this will get closed. So this will not run after that. I see now. Cool. Yo, Thor, when did you come, man? What's up, buddy? Function name. अच्छा function. अरे addition. I don't think we can declare a function inside a main function. A integer type and B integer type. It does complain. Didn't I give a name now? It is func, right? Func, yeah. That first is like my variable name and integer type. That is what I gave. A and B is going to integer. Do we have anything called as addition? Like maybe a and like doesn't we can't declare a function inside main functions. Quick concurrency cheat sheet. Before moving on another, okay, before moving anchor these three concepts in your mind. Okay, so it says I need to know Go functions, Go routines, 8-way threads. They run tasks in the background independently. Channels, safe pipe used to pass data between Go routine without crashing. Wait group, a counter that forces main to wait until background jobs are finished. What to learn next, struct, interfaces, and packages. There we go, we have packages now. Create your custom package like this. Instead of code, we can go something else. Let's move to something different like user account. Yeah. So I need a user account. That's what you say, right? You can do something else. Just flip this user app. CD user app. Go mod init. Init. Is it go mod init or what the fuck? Go mod. Did I do it right? Like go mod init. Uh, mod init right. Oh, maybe I need to write mod init dot. Maybe we can just write a go mod init user app. Yeah, dude. Oh, you need a fucking name anyway. We have a go mod. We need a main dot go. And what do we need? Need an account. Inside that account. Yo, pigeon, bro. What's up? You're coming after a long time. Yeah, I'm learning Go. What does it say? Inside the account, Go will define our user data structure and an interface that handle user validations. Go user struct tag. Jason tells how languages convert the structure into web data. Why the fuck are you going to the web data again? What the fuck? Yeah, bro, I'm trying to learn something different, bro. This motherfucker is always pushing me into the web development. Fucking just delete it. Go to hell. Me just learning, bro. Not building anything. Dumb people doesn't build anything. So now it's going to teach me a custom disk scanner utility. Let me see if I'm able to understand the code right now. This is directory to scan. This is a variable, and we have a flag. I don't know what the fuck is flag does. Flag to string. I don't know. This is something new for me right now. And we have access the dir directory and ext directory. And this looks like a flag.path. I don't know. Pointer of this thing, if it exists, then we are going to get all the target things. The total files are going to be in 64. This is a variable type. Total files and total size is going to be this. Extension count. Oh my god, I'm so close to 400. Damn. I have like 398 subscribers. What the fuck? Need 2 more subs to reach 400. Is there? This is something known thing. Is it directory or not? Simple, easy. What is d.info now? Is it inbuilt function? Man, I have been doing Go for like more than a week, I guess. So I know a bit Go. I have built an to-do app and learned about file operations. Where's my fucking to-do? Oh, here it is. Now I understand a bit, I guess. Yeah, error handling is something like this, right? Like, something based on the. Oh, something you want and error is going to be like this and this. If my error of not equals to nil, then we are going to commit or we have something called as maybe I can do this fmt dot since I've tried to access this thing outside it is not working. We have something called as fmt dot print of print error or something, and what do you call that thing? If we want the value, then we can access it after this thing. This is for printing the error. Error. I tried to access this thing outside my main function, so that is why it is saying error. There you go. I'm trying to fmt dot not fm maybe print. We have fm fmt dot print print f error print error. We have something else something. I don't remember the name, but we have. We have something. Yeah, error. Whether we are going to get something. That's it. Something, and this is going to be string type, and my something is going to be here. The fucking same. Here we go. We have handled error. Why does it show me some error? Something like this. Maybe I need to recall it. Trying to do something else. I got. Do share the files on files. I think I have pushed on the GitHub. If you want, you can push something inside, bro. This is for fun. Like I'm just pushing it something here. Like you can also push. This is open repo, so you don't want the permission. I mean, you don't need the permission to push. You can directly merge with the main. So if you want, you can make some changes. Or if you want, you can add something new, or like maybe create some new folders. I will just pull from the main when I'm doing something. It will be fun. We can do something. Let's go. You can check. Like, this is open repo. Let me show you. How do I see that? I did it that day. You don't need the permission. There it is. Yeah, allow merge commits and they allow auto merge. You don't even need permission to do. It's open repo right now. I'm just pushing. Someone else can push anything they want. We can learn together. Maybe your code I might be not able to understand since you are pro in Go, and you since you told like you love the error handling in the Go. I mean like you might be pro guy. So I feel like you can push something inside like inside the that folder thing, and yeah, it would be fun to do. Even I will try to read the code and understand. Then I will understand. Then I will try to contribute something. वरना एक काम कर भाई एक काम कर यहाँ पे टू डू है ना, टू डू के अंदर में एक फोल्डर बना दे, टू डू के अंदर एक फोल्डर बना के उसमें एक अच्छा से कमेंट लिख दे जिसको हम लोग वरना फिर एक रीडमी एमडी तो है ही, इसमें अपडेट कर देना। कुछ करते हैं बस, मस्त कुछ करते हैं। मेरे को भी उतना नहीं आता कुछ गो में, तेरे को भी उतना नहीं आता बोल रहा है तो एक मजा आएगा, दोनों भी सीख जाएंगे एंड फिर लाइक कुछ ना कुछ बन भी जाएगा अच्छा सा, एंड ग्रुप एक्सपीरियंस भी मिल जाएगा अपने को। अगर अच्छा कुछ बना पाएंगे तो फिर प्रोडक्ट वगैरह बना के लॉन्च कर देते, क्या बोलता है? प्रोडक्ट बन सकता है क्या गोलैंग में? कैन वी क्रिएट एन प्रोडक्ट? और कोई तो है नहीं भाई, कोई करेगा नहीं। अगर तेरे को करने का इंटरेस्ट है तो तू कर, वरना फिर कोई बात नहीं। मेरे को बस कोई चाहिए मतलब। देख रहा है यहाँ पे ये सब गोलांग में बना हुआ भाई, ये सब गोलांग में बना है। डॉकर, किबरनेटिव्स, भाई सब कुछ का बैकएंड भी गोलांग में मान लिया। बहुत कुछ बना सकते हैं इससे। सीधी नंबर ऑफ व्हाट, सीधी नंबर ऑफ एप्स यार, और बहुत कुछ है। कुछ कुछ आइडिया मिलेगा ना यहाँ पे, अपडेट कर देना, वरना फिर मैं ही अपडेट कर देगा यहाँ पे कुछ कि मतलब कुछ भी जो तुम लोग को मतलब कुछ आइडिया आ रहा है तो फिर यू कैन जस्ट पोस्ट इट हियर एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग टुगेदर मे बी। तो देखना अगर कुछ आइडिया आ रहा है तो बताना, फिर सोचते हैं। वरना फिर डिस्कॉर्ड पे तो है ना भाई, पीजियन। तुम तो हो भाई डिस्कॉर्ड में, मेरे को पता है, देखा था मैंने। हाउ डू आई सर्च योर नेम? पीजियन है ना? अच्छा, मिल नहीं रहा तेरा नाम यार, तू मैसेज नहीं भेजता लगता है। भाग गया क्या भाई? मैं तेरे को देखा हूँ बट मेरे को याद है। इतने सारे लोग आ गए भाई, सारे ऑफलाइन है भाई। क्या फायदा है मतलब आने का? यार मिल नहीं रहा। I don't know what the fuck। तूने मैसेज नहीं भेजा शायद। पीछे स्पेलिंग सही तो डाला था। नहीं आ रहा। अब कोई बात ना। हाँ मिल गया भाई। अबे तूने स्पेलिंग देख क्या लिखा है? रुक जा, रेपो का लिंक यहाँ पे भेज देता हूँ। अगर कुछ आइडिया आएगा तो फिर इसमें ही रीडमी एमडी एडिट कर देना एंड नया फोल्डर बना देना, ठीक है। अगर कुछ आइडिया आएगा तो यहाँ पर टैग कर देना, फिर मैं सोचता हूँ क्या बनाते हैं करके साथ में। अगर अच्छा खासा कुछ बन गया तो फिर प्रोडक्ट बना के लॉन्च करते हैं। भाई कितना देर काम करेगा कितना देर, ऐसा खुद का कुछ करेंगे लोग। How long you want to be working like a dog to be a owner? We shall become a owner one day. 20 सेकंड का डिले होता फा। एक काम कर भाई तू लॉल। भाई यहाँ पे देख। अ, एक काम कर रहा हूँ चैट, यूट्यूब चैट के जगह पे मतलब इसी को यूज करते हैं, क्या बोल जाए, वाई टी चैट रियल टाइम टैग। मैं सर्वर का लिंक भी पेस्ट कर देता हूँ ताकि किसी को पता चले। हाउ डू आई शेयर दिस लिंक? या कॉपी बाईपास या। Oh, you're going for food? Okay, have food. मैं तो अभी नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं तो 10 बजे जाऊंगा। खा लो भाई, खा लो खा लो। Disable. Do I have the Discord notification on? What is it? Oh, coding, dumb people, dumb, smart people, coding, DSA, development. Can I add one more? Maybe instead of coding, I can add golang. Maybe first one. One more. DSA here, golang here, development, dumb people. We really need this thing. I don't need this thing. Game को मांगा है, what the fuck? Yeah, private. लिंक भाई, इतने गेम भाई क्या क्या खेलो। absolute best way to break free the 9 to 5 grind. Build a micro SaaS, software as a service, or a developer tool. With a co-founder mean you write code once and it makes you money for you while you sleep. Go is a perfect language for this because it has almost zero hosting cost. The fuck, zero hosting cost? How? How zero hosting cost? What do you mean? Ooh. Bro, what the fuck are you saying, bro? Seriously? If I had known this thing, I would have learned it a year ago, man. What the fuck? I need to explore more, bro. I'm fucking dumb, bro. Go changes the math completely because Go compiles into a single self-contained binary file. Yeah. It can run. How the fuck it is working there? It can run in environments that cost absolutely nothing. So you're saying like on renderer it can run like an what do you call that thing, bro? If you choose to build a product like a web link scraper or like log monitoring utility, you aren't hosting anything at all. Yeah, that is fire, bro. Yeah, we are going to sell the software. Ah, your customer download your compiled Go binary. Yeah, we just give the access to the code, but not the source code, compiled one. This is fire. Code runs using their CPU, their RAM, their electricity. Yeah, and you can host the downloadable binary file for free on GitHub. Oh yes, I understand, understand. Leverage serverless infrastructure if you need a backend. What do you mean by serverless? Without server? Oh, no, I understand. Even not deploying on my server, like maybe deploying it on the different third-party server, like services like AWS, Lambda, Google Cloud, what the fuck's function? Cloud, something, Superbase, yeah. Why the fuck are you saying everything as a function? Like, what the hell? Extremely low virtual. Bro, go is fire. Iridia. Iridia. A file downloader, e-learning go. Cool. So already created it. Like, what the fuck? We have a flag FMTIO log. I don't know that's log. You know this is HTTP OS or this contains a string convention like A A T O I or something like that. Sync I know WG8 time timer. We have a directories, temporary directories and directories for final file. So you created a file download I think. Download task, URL file name sections. For user inputs, download task error. I never use where till now. This is my download task. What is wrong with this? I need to learn how. I need to learn what is flag and flag dot pass. I don't know that thing. Maybe something different. I haven't explored it. You're two subs for 400. Damn. Get new request method URL string HTTP request. Oh, this is what I was trying to say. Yeah, you're super cool, bro. Returns a total size of file. Like, why do you need to? Yeah, we need to do since we are not having the file in the local directory. So if we had them in the local directory, we could have got the OS file file info. Since we're getting it from the internet, we need to. How are you downloading it? Let me see. The file size. There's a download thing. Calculate sections. Download section. Oh, you're getting a byte and okay. Damn, what does do all this? First reading the file from there and writing it in your local directory. Nice. Wow, bro, you're super cool, bro. Merge all download sections into a final file. Oh, damn. Can we run this? Yeah, I'm copying this code to see how it works. Let me see what it does. Maybe I can create a main directly here since I don't have. Since it is inside a folder, it doesn't complain. Oh, I can't run that thing. It does not have a go mod thing in now. Maybe I should take it inside and put it somewhere else. Yeah, yeah. I'm just checking your code. I'm just checking your code. CD download. Ah, you need a name. Okay. Now we have the main.go now. Now we should go. What is the function? To run down. Is it CLI or like maybe it will open in the web browser now? Okay, failed to retrieve the user input missing argument. Did it wait for my did it wait for my prompt? I don't see any prompt here. It created a download section. Uh-huh. Okay. Do I really need to pass my file first itself or like maybe run like this? Oh, run. How do I how do I pass the value now? Is it like this? I never did this thing. What I used to do is like use buffers and S is not what S is not. Oh, फाइल नेम मतलब नया फाइल जो बनने वाला है उसका फाइल नेम, या फिर and section is must. Do you need to really put this section or like will it take it on own? File name can be cat.jpg. Maybe I run the wrong command. Na, 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 na. Why the heck it is taking a lot of time right now? Did I put something hard? Let me see, bro. What the fuck? It is not popping. Pigeon fcat.jpg and ss24. The first section or a bit of fuck. Oh, oh, we got something. Oh, nice. Can it really download anything? I'm going to try something crazy right now, but I can't show it on the screen since it is a little bit bad thing. So wait for me for a few minutes. I'm not gonna show it on your screen. I can't show it since YouTube will ban me. I don't want to get banned. Not right now. Maybe I need to start streaming on Twitch or something like that. Imagine if I have some different file thing, like maybe something else, and I'm going to change my URL to that thing. Will it be able to download that thing or not? I just have it down. Uh, shit, shit. Nah. I need to replace my URL here, right? I'm doing something crazy. I don't want to show it on the screen, right? Mhm. I see they have some kind of protection for the videos, I guess. I'm not able to download it. Good. Oh, maybe I have to rename it something. Maybe for okay. Did I get something? I don't think I got it. It's just 14 KB video. Hell. I think they have some sort of protection somewhere. Nice, interesting. We are back, guys. Do we have something else here? Like, what does this mean? Like, capture VR games, share monitor, capture screen, collab cam, audio output capture, image sync, rack, instant replay, display instant replay, media files, video, sound, description. Oh, what is this? Ah, this is going to be never completed. So, yep, I'm commenting in there. We, what is this month? Oh, this is cool. What else you have in this thing? Chat highlight, emote. What is emote? Oh, oh, this is what other people using. Why the hell do I never know this thing? Can I see it now? What the fuck? Bye, man. That's an interesting thing. Can I put a hole here? Oh, if someone adds an emoji, then will it show there? What is the use of the thing? I did add something called as emote wall. What does that mean? I don't see anything. Not yet. Still, no. Did my emoji still not got shown there? The fuck? Alright, let's get back to the DSA now. Since should I do till 1 more hour for the goal and after that we can move to DSA? Yeah, Yeah, bro, just delete, just delete it, just delete it. Not yesterday. Fuck you. You mean this is okay? Ah, shit. There is my file. How can I? How can I export functions? At this, is it even possible? Bro, oh, you mean I can only write it on the top? That is what I was trying to ask. Like, I can't write it inside, right? Stuffs that case studies. Wow. This this was created in 2007. I thought it came just few years ago. I guess. Like, what the fuck? It's created in 2007. Okay, after my birth, after 7 years, it got created. Interesting. Oh, American Express also uses the Go for the payment. ByteDance. Yeah, I have seen some software developers working in the ByteDance. So this is a big company. Even cloud graceful upgrades in the function. Concrete Labs. why why we choose to build our database? Oh, really nice. Even Meta is using Go. Reasons to choose Go in 2026 are these reasons. Big Slice, a cluster computing system in Go. How the fuck these people are so smart, like building some crazy level stuffs? Trivago. Oh, we even had this thing, I never know this. So is this hello in golang in Chinese? Pi holes blocking my home network. Oh shit, this guy is cooking something hard. The unique part of this is it's completely insane, over-engineered, self-updating, embedded graphics, window exe signing, Even though I use only Linux, fully automated CI/CD, many more things, full production ready, tested out. There is just three API calls in trench code. My fiance recently died, and it was something to keep me busy while away from work. My peers call it my prefab. Please. His fiance died, and he created a fucking app, and he made it a production grade in order to overcome the pain of losing his fiance, which is interesting. Kind of, I mean, like most of the people, most of the people just lose like me. Maybe they are more smarter than few people in the world. I see, like in general. He said nothing like yours, but he built something different, bro. He's saying like everyone runs long time Lucas here. I'm curious to see if community built interesting, unique project in Go, excluding the usual stuff like API, web server, CLI tools. A year ago, I started learning Go. I decided to create a bot for WoW Classic. What does WoW Classic mean? Without memory, avoid detection by will. With the fuck is this? This is some huge level stuff I can't even understand. Explain, bro. Even my AI started saying like this is smart and high utility approach, building process game bot. Which means this guy's cracked as fuck. When AI start appreciating you, then like you're on the next level. Wow, internal data. Did he name his software as Wow or like something Wow exists? Oh, damn. Go program reads those colors from the screen and decodes them back to coordinates. That is how bot knows where in the world how to navigate. Did he create a fucking navigation bot? Make a language. Bro, how the fuck are you guys are cracked, bro? Like literally everyone in Reddit are cracked or what the fuck? I am the fucking dumbest person in the programming world. How you guys are so cracked? I don't think there's an unique and unusual uses of Go at all. Like I wrote and shit, this is also like fucking crazy. CLI, ACI, text, MP3 visualizer. Pretty much all people I see on the Reddit or like somewhere on the YouTube or maybe in the YouTube chat, everyone are cracked as fuck, bro. I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong in my life, but I'm not able to become like that. Not comparing, but I'm just letting you know like I'm fucking dumb. I don't know how much year it will take me to reach there. Like, till then, like these people will be like on the god level. I did a lot of scientific stuffs like, what the fuck is this? Oh, even a fucking ID, bro. Even it shows the errors and syntax how you do it. What the fuck? What the fuck is cooking so hard? What the hell is this? I don't care. Let me see how we can use the WebSocket in the Go. Yeah, what the fuck? It is not working. Maybe I should open a new terminal. Maybe AI mode. Are you trying to red limit me? Yeah, you can't, bro. Since you're fucking Google, you don't have the permission to disable the whole thing itself. Like, if you disable, then you lose people. Now we are going to learn how to use the WebSockets. Maybe I need to again git clone some repo, I guess. Yeah, as usual, as known. Install the industry standard WebSocket package. Where is the package? We have something called as test, and yeah, we have it. We have done. Didn't I do the mod in it? What the fuck? Oh, mod init test. Oh, mod id mod ls. We do again. It says already exists. Ah, we have it. So we have it. We need to install the WebSocket now. This is how you get a WebSocket. Where is the WebSocket? I don't see anything on this thing. But this is literally empty. But what the fuck I'm even? What the hell is it? Is it some sort of package that contains all? Bro, what the fuck? Even you're cooking? Can you show me on the Discord? Can you show me on the Discord? Come join here. Oh, yeah, it is recommending me to use gorilla. Yo, can you join here, Thor? Come join here. Yes, it contains everything. Ah, I know. I see. So I just need to do this, so it will download all the recommended package for the Go thing, I guess. There we go. Expected. What the fuck? It says this thing. What the hell? How do I do this? Do I need to put Go mod or something? Do you mean I have to do package main? Not package main, function main. After that, I need to download that thing now. Since we have this thing now, will it work? Oh shit. Where is that thing? What the hell is that GitHub thing? I had it just now. Malformed module path. Oh, you're traveling right now, bro. It's fucking 9 o'clock. What the fuck? Where are you traveling? चलिए, दो फोल्डर के अंदर नहीं बना सकते क्या? हाँ भाई वो इसकी now we have empty folder. अब यहाँ पे if I do this thing, it will create a new file now. Folder now. फोल्डर बना रहे वो फोल्डर बन गया। अब ये काम करेगा क्या? अभी भी काम नहीं कर रहा। क्या क्या यूआरएल दे रहा भाई? वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, गिटहब खाली दे रहा है, उसका कुछ आगे कुछ नहीं पीछे कुछ नहीं। So where is Sudhi? भाई क्या दे रहा भाई? ये क्या ही हो रहा भाई? फिर से वही दिया है। यही तो चाहिए था, यही तो मांग रहा था मैं। चूतिए बहन के। कौन से नशे में रहता पता नहीं। इनपुट पूरी इनपुट ही कुछ अजीब सा होगा I don't know what the fuck's wrong with the AI mode, huh? But for real, I have asked you about the pool language. Is it hallucinating or like what the heck? First, I had to create a line.go. I could have I could have renamed my file itself. What are the things are you doing? You importer. How should I FMT first? I don't even need to import them. Like auto import. Start using them because we have server. This is going to be. I'm obsessed with 8080. Now I will get there. Connection. Why are they boxing three things now? I know two is used for the we have fucking dialogue. What will happen second bracket? This is supposed to be error. So we see. Why does it say error is undefined? What the hell? I have it. Oh, what the hell is this? Prefer preferring my connection. So we are connected to server. Routine, infinite loop, message, error, con dot. Read message like listen. If error not used, FM. Select karma ff.println. So a code is like what do we call that? It's something called as emitted broadcast. Why does it say some error? Yeah, we have to. Someone was talking about ticker in some different stream. Why are we declaring everything? Ticker is like timer or what? But we have time interrupt. I'm not able to understand after my ticker or ticker. Even this part is not understandable. Let me ask it. From here I can't understand. Ticker I'm not able to understand. Gone overshared. He's saying like we are using advanced part. He's saying like set intro. Oh, no understand. यो अर्षद भाई व्हाट्स अप। क्या लिखा है? दिख ही नहीं रहा। डॉल्फिन हो गया। इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन का बढ़िया हो भाई, आप बताओ यार। बोल नहीं रहा। हाँ वो थोड़ा देर के लिए नहीं बोल रहा था। 2 घंटा से बोल ही रहा था तो थोड़ा देर चुप हो गया। क्या बोल रहा है? दिस इज 90% ऑफ मॉडर्न टेक कंपनी बिल्ड्स ऑन कीप द प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीटली सेपरेट। करते क्या? हाँ ठीक है, समझ आ रहा है, बट ऐसा होकर करना पड़ता है। हाउ दे टॉक। ओह माय गॉड। या डायरेक्टली वेब सॉकेट कनेक्शन भेजता है गोल सर्वर, बाकी सब वो कर देगा उधर से। यूआई तो रिएक्ट अपडेट कर देगा उसमें से, सर्वर से जो भी जाएगा। बट वहाँ पे हैंडल कैसे हो रहा है ये समझ। इसमें सी सम वीडियोस, क्या सच में लोग मतलब कुछ और यूज करते पता नहीं होगा शायद। हाँ मैं ही हूँ, मैं ही हूँ, बताऊँ मैं ही हूँ। बिल्ड नहीं कर रहा हूँ डन। मैं धीरे धीरे बोलता हूँ, बहुत धीरे धीरे, सुना ही नहीं देता किसी को। ऐसा लगेगा मतलब एकदम शांत है, फुल शांत। मेरा आवाज ही ऐसा भाई, एकदम स्लो मोशन में बात करता हूँ बस। इसको सर्च करना था रिएक्ट एंड गोलैंग, क्या बनाते हैं लोग सच में, क्या बना, कैसे बना, क्या बना। जावास्क्रिप्ट के बिना गोलैंग चलेगा ही नहीं रिएक्ट के साथ कैसे। मतलब तो गो में कोड लिख के उसको रिएक्ट में कन्वर्ट, उसमें जावास्क्रिप्ट में कन्वर्ट करके फिर उसको यूज कर रहे हो। काम कैसे करेगा मैं तो समझ नहीं रहा। पैसा ब्रो, पैसा, मनी, मनी मनी। मनी भी है ऊपर से मैं, मेरे को बस यही आता है, मैं और क्या ही करूँ। मेरे को टॉर्चर होना पसंद है, मजा आता है। उसके बाद में और क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
Go by building a full-stack web app with React and Go. The project also features TypeScript, MongoDB, and Chakra UI.
भाई बन
And you'll
कैसे रहा है
use
ये, मेरे को
TanStack
समझ नहीं
Query to implement data fetching, caching, and updates. Barak from As a Programmer
इसमें
developed
वो
this
तो दिख ही
course.
नहीं रहा
When
मेरे
you
को।
start learning full-stack web development, you'll probably go with Node.js and React because it is really convenient to build full-stack apps by just knowing JavaScript. But after a while, it can feel a bit repetitive, so you'd like to try out something new. And probably that's why you clicked to this video, where we will build a full-stack web app with React and Go, and we will implement all CRUD operations, which are create, read, update, and delete. And you will see the entire
हैंग हो गया।
process because I will take you from an
लॉल,
empty folder to the deployment. And today we
या
will
कंटिन्यू।
build a task app where we can create one, mark as completed, and delete that task. Just to make this as beginner friendly as possible, we will build the API twice. In the first one, we will store the data in memory, and then we will build it again by connecting to a database, which is gonna be MongoDB. And in the front end, we will use React with TypeScript. We will use TenStack, also known as React Query, for
I don't understand why do I need to do three more things bro, what the fuck। मतलब मैं गो में भी बैकएंड लिखूँ, उसके बाद रिएक्ट के लिए भी वो लिखूँगा, और उसके बाद मैं फिर से टाइपस्क्रिप्ट यूज़ करूँगा। what the fuck bro, क्यों करना।
data fetching. We will use Chakra
आप तो सही हो, मैं तो अपना स्टडी भी नहीं करता। मजबूरी भाई, मजबूरी है। मैं जॉब नहीं रहेगा तो मजबूरी हो जाएगा, करना पड़ता है भाई।
UI for styling, and at the end we will deploy our app to Railway for free. So overall, a simple but yet effective
अबे दो
tutorial to
सब्सक्राइबर
get
करा
you
दूँ,
up and
400 हो
running
जाएगा,
with
मजा आ
your
जाएगा।
very first Go application. I had a lot of fun while
वन
building it,
मोर
so I hope
सब्सक्राइबर,
you will like
400
it too.
सब्सक्राइबर,
And
लेट्स
I
गो।
would appreciate if you could leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.
ये
So
इतना जल्दी
before
खत्म
we
हो गया।
start coding, if you visit the GitHub repo that you could find the link in the description, you will see this file called comparisons.md. So I know that most of you guys has the JavaScript background with Node.js, so I wanted to create this kind of like notes or cheat sheet that you could use before starting the tutorial, or maybe after completing it. I think that would be kind of like a cool comparisons that we could do in the Go environment and Node.js. So in Node.js, when you start to create a new project, you would say npm init, which will give you a package.json file. And the equivalent of that, I'll just zoom in a little bit. In Go is going to be go mod init. And
वो कर लिया तुमने? ओह डैम भाई। npm stands for node package manager। जैसे तुम एक दुकान में जाते हो, एक सुपरमार्केट में जाते हो, सुपरमार्केट में तुमको सारे सामान मिलते हैं सुपरमार्केट के रिलेटेड जो भी है, जैसे स्टेशनरी हो गया या फिर कुछ खाने का सामान या फिर ड्रिंक्स, सारे कैटेगरी में रहते तुम्हारे। वैसे ही एक जावास्क्रिप्ट के लिए एक मार्केट है जिसके अंदर में तुमको सारा चीज़ मिलेगा, जिसको npm बोलते हैं, नोट पैक मैनेजर, नोट पैकेज मैनेजर। एंड इसमें तुम जाओगे, उसमें सारे कैटेगरी का तुमको सारा चीज़ें मिलेंगे। पैकेज क्यों नहीं दिख रही है? अच्छा भाई, डिफ़ॉल्ट कुछ दिख नहीं रहा, फिर यहाँ पे कुछ सर्च कर लो ऐसे एक्सप्रेस। अभी मैंने सर्च किया एक्सप्रेस, ये सबसे हाईएस्ट यूज्ड ये है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सर्वर के लिए यूज़ किया गया चीज़ है। नोट जेएस के साथ यूज़ होता है जो जावा में होता है। ये फ्रेमवर्क सबसे ज़्यादा हाईएस्ट यूज्ड है। हर एक इंडस्ट्री में तुम जाओगे तो मतलब यही यही यूज़ होता है। सिंस तुम नोड नोड को यूज़ करके लिख सकते हो एपीआई वगैरह, बट वो बहुत टाइम लेगा। इसके वजह से क्या करते हैं कि एक्सप्रेस करके एक है जिसको यूज़ करके उन लोग बैकएंड लिखते हैं, फिर उसमें से बहुत ईजी सिंपल। ऐसे ही तुमको बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे मिलेंगे, जैसे मान ले और क्या दिखा सकते हैं मेरे को, डॉट env भी यहाँ पे ही होता है। ऐसे ही एक मार्केट जैसा है जिसके अंदर में तेरे को सामान मिलेगा। तेरे को क्या करना है, यहाँ पे npm आई है ना, इंस्टॉल है, आई का मतलब। तो यहाँ पे तो कॉपी करेगा, कॉपी करने के बाद में अगर नोट जेएस का प्रोजेक्ट है तेरे पास, इंस्टेंशिएटेड कर रखा है तूने, मतलब प्रोजेक्ट बना रखा है, तो फिर यहाँ पे ऐसे पेस्ट मारेगा, एंटर मारेगा, डाउनलोड हो जाएगा। ये डाउनलोड होने के बाद में तो कोड में यूज़ कर सकता है बस सिंपल। कुछ नहीं, एक बाहर के कंप्यूटर में सामान रखा है, तेरे को यूज़ करना है तेरा सिस्टम में, तो उसको तो डाउनलोड करके अंदर में लेके आ रहा है, फिर उसको कोड में यूज़ करेगा अपना। उसको एन पी एम बोलते हैं। मैं बहुत लंबा चौड़ा बोल दिया भाई, दफा।
and then you would put a module name. So this is going to be some kind of like unique identifier for your module, and it is going to create a go.mod file in the current directory. And again, this is going to be that kind of like package.json file which contains information about the module, its dependencies, and the Go version that you're using. And this module name has like, it could be anything, but it has a convention, and we'll see that in a couple of minutes. And then when you want to start your application in Node.js,
नोट जेएस ब्राउज़र में जो जावास्क्रिप्ट यूज़ करते हैं ना, उसको अपने लोकल सिस्टम में चलाने के लिए तेरे को नोट जेएस चाहिए। बस इतना ही समझ कि एक टूल चाहिए जिसको तू यूज़ करके तू जावास्क्रिप्ट अपना सिस्टम में रन कर सकता है बिना ब्राउज़र के उसको यूज़ किए हुए। मतलब पूरा अपना सिस्टम में टर्मिनल में देख सकता आउटपुट वगैरह। पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था। पहले तो क्या करता था, यहाँ पे जाएगा, यहाँ पे जाने के बाद में यहाँ पे कंसोल में जाएगा, फिर यहाँ पे यूज़ करते थे। पहले ट्यूटोरियल सब आता था ना, जो भी आता था पहले। तो मान ले मैं यहाँ पे अर्शद लिखा हूँ, अर्शद तेरा नाम है ना, ऐसे पहले 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 ऐसे सिखाते थे। तो उसके बाद में नोट जेएस का जन्म हुआ, इसको यूज़ करके तू मतलब ये कर सकता है कि सिस्टम में तो इंस्टॉल कर सकता है डायरेक्ट। डायरेक्ट उसको इंस्टॉल करेगा, डाउनलोड करके इंस्टॉल करना है। इंस्टॉल करने के बाद में तो अपना सिस्टम में डायरेक्ट तो अपना यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसको। इन लोग अपडेट करते हैं क्या? यहाँ पे विंडोज़ है ना, विंडोज़ क्लिक करेगा, डाउनलोड की दे रहा है, ये रहा। अबे तेरा लास्ट नेम लिया था मैं। बस एक रन टाइम एनवायरनमेंट था भाई, जिसको मतलब जिसमें तू चला सकता है कुछ।
JS, you would basically run this kind of like a command, which is npm run start, and in Go,
बस
you would say
जावास्क्रिप्ट के लिए ही काम
go
करता
run
हुआ,
and
किसी
then the
चीज़ के लिए काम
file
नहीं
name,
करेगा।
which is going to compile the program and executes it. And then when you want to install a package, you would say npm install and then package name in Node.js. And in Go, you would say go get and then the package name. So go get is not a package manager.
क्या पूछ रहा है? लेकिन वैसे जब ब्राउज़र में चल रहा है तो अलग से जेएस रन करने का क्या ज़रूरत है? देख ब्राउज़र में क्या है कि ब्राउज़र में देख, अभी मैं कंसोल डॉट लॉग किया, हमजा था ना मेरा नाम। अभी मैंने हमजा हमजा प्रिंट किया। मान ले मेरे को 2-3 वेरिएबल बनाने हैं, वेरिएबल तो बनाएगा वहाँ पे तेरा रहेगा नहीं कंसिस्टेंट, या फिर कुछ काम करेगा तो फिर उसको सेव नहीं कर सकता, कुछ नहीं कर सकता। और फिर और क्या बोलते हैं, जो सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह बनाएगा तो इसमें थोड़ी नहीं बना सकता। तो इसमें टाइप करेगा, एक दो टाइप करेगा, फिर गलती से भी एंटर मार देगा। देखा अभी मैं ऐसे ऐसे टाइप कर रहा हूँ, गलती से एंटर मार दिया, ये देखिए एरर आ गया। तो ये सब नहीं चाहिए था, इसकी वजह से एक अच्छा सा मतलब उन लोग ने नोट जेएस को बनाया था, जो मतलब लोकल में चलेगा फुल बाकी लैंग्वेजेस के जैसे, जैसे जावा है जिसमें जेडी का यूज़ होता है, फिर सी प्लस प्लस है जिसमें वो यूज़ होता है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सी में क्या कुछ तो यूज़ होता है जिससे मतलब यूज़ करके तू सी प्लस प्लस का कोड वगैरह लिख सकता है। जी सी पी कुछ आता है, पता नहीं। इसका भी कुछ होता होगा, जैसे जावास्क्रिप्ट का नोड जेएस होता है वैसे ही इसका कुछ है। इवेंट किधर गया, क्या बोल रहा है ये? ओ ठीक है ठीक है, बाय बाय।
But it is used to download and install packages from remote repositories, and it does not handle versioning, and this command fetches the package and its dependencies if there are any. And then, as we just talked about it before, package.json, the equivalent of that would be go.mod file, which contains the information about the module, its dependencies, and then the Go version. So when you want to install all dependencies in a project, you would say npm install, and in Go, that's going to be go mod tidy. And then when you want to stringify JSON, so you would call this method, and in Go, this is called something like marshalling. So you would say json.marshal, and you're going to have, so like the Go data structure, and when you just marshal that, it's going to stringify it to a JSON string. And the reverse operation is going to be json.parse, which is going to be unmarshalling. So again, you have a JSON string, and you're going to run this method with that, and it's going to give you that Go data structure in JSON, right? Now this code might look a little bit complicated, but we'll get to that. And then the nodman is something that just reloads your application whenever you change some source file, right? That's going to be in the Node.js Node.js, and in Go there is Air, which is a live reload tool, just like NodeMon, but in Go applications. So it's going to watch for file changes and automatically rebuild and restart the application. It is similar to NodeMon, and there are other alternatives like Fresh, but for my case, Air was the most convenient one to use it. And to be able to configure it, you need to have a file called air.toml, and this is something that, again, we'll just get into that in the video. And so to be able to store your environment variables, you would install the .env package in Node, and in Go it is going to be this go get and then the module name, so github.com, Jaho, and then go.env. And again, this is going to allow us to store sensitive information like API keys, database URIs, and any kind of like secret. And here is an example of that where we just you say go.env.load the env file, and if there are any errors, just console log it to the console, right, or in the terminal. But if we just pass that, now we could just get any environment that we have, and we're going to just assign it to a variable. Now we would use Express.js in Node to be able to have that web framework, and in Go it is going to be Fiber, which is a web framework for Go, and it is inspired by Express.js. So it is fast, lightweight, and easy to use, and you're going to see it is actually looking pretty similar to Express. And there are other alternatives such as Gin and Eco, and if you wanted to, you could take a look at them after completing this video. Then let's see a middleware. So in Express.js, we had middlewares, right? This is actually a concept that we have almost in any kind of programming language when you build an API or something similar. And in Go, here is how we would use it. So we create an app just like in Express, but we say fiber.new, which is going to give us an
You're a web developer. You've been grinding for years. Full stack apps? Done. Deployments? Automated. Frameworks? Mastered. You even pulled off the impossible, centering a div. But now, same Jira tickets, same patterns, same abstractions. You're not growing. You're stuck. So how do you escape? Here's the 4-step prison break. GitHub repos are linked below. Step 1. Learn a low-level language. Drop the frameworks. Pick up C, C++, or Go. Build something raw, like a tiny HTTP server. Suddenly, you care about memory, signals, and the sharp edges your favorite language always hides. It's tough, it's frustrating, but this is the first hole in the wall. Computers aren't magic, they're just fast calculators, duct-taped to electricity. Step 2. Get hands-on with networking. In web dev, networking means fetch and pray. Real networking? Sockets, ports, protocols. Build a peer-to-peer file sharing app. No Firebase, no babysitters. Just machines talking directly. Once you see how data really moves, you'll never see the web the same way again. This is your secret tunnel, and few devs dig this deep. Step 3. Explore the operating system. If networking is the tunnel, the OS is the wall, and the only way through is to understand it. Forget npm start. Nothing just works here. Try xv6 or a toy OS. Play with processes, memory, system calls. Once you get kernel versus user space, you'll feel like you've gone from using a computer to actually owning it. Step 4. Build a web crawler. Now it's payback. Crawl the very place that trapped you, the web. A crawler combines networking, concurrency, parsing. No UI, no buttons, just code, ripping through sites at speed. Do it right, and your crawler will make ChatGPT look like it's running on a potato. This is your breakout car. And that's it. You've broken free from the browser and stepped into something bigger. Pick one project today, build it. Escape isn't theory. Escape is practice. The prison gates are open. Now it's your move.
You're not going to want to hear this, but if you want to start a business at 19, things are going to get messy. The biggest thing that's worked for me building Melovia is getting everything in one place. Like all the ideas and inspirations, the designs, the plans.
What could you create if you had 30 minutes to plan and 4 hours to build? Today, we're challenging 3 teams of devs to build an app that people can.
You're a web developer. You've been grinding for years. Full stack apps? Done. Deploy.
If someone had told me about component libraries, where to get free animations, icons and fonts, industry trends, and what companies hell has happened here? It's like coming home and you left your kids at home and there's just paint on the ground. And you're like, how did you get paint? How did you open it? And then why did you put it on the ground? I have several questions. None of this should have been possible. There's so many web frameworks with new ones appearing every day. Building a web application as opposed to a website like my art website, which is statically generated, has only a little JavaScript, often requires a myriad of tools and technologies, which often change at high frequencies and feature endless amounts of other technologies you usually don't even know are there. Ooh, look, the package directory has 2,000 items. Okay, hey, don't make fun of node modules. That's kind of rude. Node modules has been working on how many packages they bring down, okay? You know, New Year's resolution 2024 is just to slim up a little bit, okay? We don't need to do this. Don't package shame. JavaScript is a terrible language that was never designed for any of this, yet oddly, it became popular because it was always there. It's amazing how much innovation has gone into building out today's web development universe despite the somewhat shaky foundation it is built upon. It is impressive. I actually agree with this statement. Well done, JavaScript. Well done, you did that. In my first mobile job at an online travel company, now sadly just a brand, the web team evaluated web frameworks for a new mobile web app, hotel, flight, car booking. In the end, they picked what they thought would work best. A year later, the open source framework was almost abandoned. Thankfully, it didn't matter since our brand had been sold and all technology in the entire company were gone. I just want you to think about that for a second. Imagine building a company, but your company didn't sell in 1 year, and the thing you
भाई यार हार्ड सुबह में कोड विद मिक्स का वीडियो देखा था, किसी ने मेरे को रेकमेंड किया था कि वॉच इस वीडियो, यू विल लर्न समथिंग। मैंने कुछ तो लर्न किया कि मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता। ग्राफ बनाते हैं। So there is an undirected graph. Building connection. La, la, la. What the fuck is that? Binary lofty, what the hell is that now? Exponentiation कुछ सा है bro. अगर मैं इसी को कॉपी पेस्ट कर दूंगा तो बिल दिस बहुत मिक्स भाई ने मेरे को ये सोल्यूशन बता दिया. Oh, we have a fucking queries here. Wow. क्वेरीज कहाँ से हैं? क्वेरीज भी है यहाँ पे. क्वेरीज क्या है? Why even if I watch your solution, then I can't understand it since I can't understand, bro. I can't understand your solution. Since I'm new to this topic, I won't be able to understand your solution. इंटरव्यू सेक्शंस में जाके असेसमेंट दो. What the fuck? I know I'll get rejected in 2 minutes. Try assessment in interview. Ah, क्या है ये? Phone interview? What the fuck is phone interview? Oh my god, सारे गूगल भाई इतने लंबे लंबे कंपनी. I can't, bro. The fuck is Philippines? This is n into n minus 1. What the hell is this? Can't I make it dark theme? पूरा पूरा dark theme कर भाई. What the fuck? Fibonacci number. So I have to return f of n into n minus 1. So if my n is equals to 0, then we are going to return. Otherwise, return fib of n into fib of n minus. Maximum pass exceed. the fuck? Fibonacci numbers are commonly denoted as f of n. Form a sequence called as Fibonacci sequence, such that number is a sum of proceeding from 0 to 1. Mn is given as 2 n into n minus 1. If my n equals to 0, then return. Otherwise, you're going to return the Fibonacci. Fibonacci number is commonly denoted as f of n and forms a sequence called as Fibonacci sequence, such that each number is sum of two preceding numbers. Starting from 0 and 1, that is ah f of n, then return n. एक सेकेंड क्या है ये कैंडी टाइप इज 1 1 2 1 2 3 5 6 is a free candy since there are 3 types you cannot be free candy. Alice can a total number of candies divided by total number of groups. सेट डॉट लेंथ होता है या सेट डॉट क्या होता है साइज होता है जस्ट a quick Google set dot size. Okay, oh shit, bad. गलत आ रहा है was one? Seriously? अब यहाँ पे इशू होगा आई थिंक. दो आए आई थिंक. 5. ओ माय गॉड. 5 कहाँ से आई है? इसको सेट में तो एक ही होना चाहिए. एलिस कितना खा सकती है यही तो पूछना है ना आप लोगों को. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा है ये गिवन इंटीजर अरे कैंडी टाइप of length and return the maximum number of different types of candies she can eat only if only eats n by 2 of them. Oh, it doesn't. So it doesn't matter if you need to really return only the maximum number of. Here I'm getting 2 now. 3 to 2. 2 तो सही है. कैंडी टाइप में कितना है? अरे आंसर आ जाएगा. Shit. Maybe set was right, I guess. डिफरेंट कैंडी मतलब तो सेट यूज करेंगे डिफरेंट होगा. मैक्सिमम result. No. Action. Return minimum size. Why minimum? They ask for maximum. Return the maximum number of different types of candies she can eat. Only if she can only eat n by 2 of them. मिनिमम से कैसे आंसर आएगा कैसे minimum is not the answer. What the fuck? How bro? इसे minimum कैसे? Let me read the question clearly. Alice has n candies where ith candy is type of candy type of the fuck. ith candy type ith candy is type of candy type. Alice noted that she started to gain weight, so she visited a doctor. Doctor advised Alice to not eat, but this motherfucker started eating more. The candies she has is and always even. Alice likes her candies very much. Then why the fuck are you visiting doctor? Just eat. She wants to eat the maximum number of different types of candies, which still following the doctor advice. If doctor has advised you to not eat, then you shouldn't eat. Like why the fuck you want to eat maximum candies? I have the result is silent. Why the fuck I need to do this? I can just oh, I don't have anything. We do something else again. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. What does it says? If two string s and gold return true. Given two string s and gold return true. Only if s can become gold after some shift in s. Why my A B C D can't become gold? I think I have done this question, but I can't remember the method. I had to rotate my string. Given two strings s and gold, return true if and only s can become gold after some number of shifts on s. Shift on s consisting of moving the left character to the rightmost position. Oh, I see. Let me debug this thing. leftmost character need to be sent on the rightmost. We will shift my leftmost to the rightmost, which is like it's going to shift. Which is going to shift A first. So it will become B, C, D, E, A. I will shift again, it will become B. Now we have C, D, E, A, B. Okay. How do we do this? Maybe slice and append. We have something called a shift, right, to remove the element, and then shift to add the element at the end. Shift operator in JavaScript. Bro. So we have after until my s is not equal to my code, then until then I will shift every at the end of my string. Then I return false. How do you write this? Should I write a for loop? I don't even remember the anagram thing, bro. What the hell is anagram? need to remove my last connector and push it here. Can't I use a slice operation in string? Even if I run a slice operation, let me do. Maybe splice in order to remove the original element itself. Don't have a splice. Ah, shit. What I was thinking like that when we split the what? Oh, it got locked out. So we have a two char. We have a two char array. Man. What the fuck are you saying? That's not a bro. Seriously. I'm confusing with different. Bullshit. I think I took this. I do something from Java, I guess. Mm-hmm. Now if I do shift is supposed to remove the first element. It didn't remove. Is it unshift? After shift element. And we have current removed element. So something. But this one. Yeah, we have what we wanted, but now we have to make it a loop until my while my when you do this, how do we arrange it? Would this work? I don't know. Until my those two things are not like if it is not equal. I don't know if this would work or not. The brand doesn't rhyme. Maybe I can try to follow this program. I don't believe I will. We have a dictionary speaker when you're going to this operation. And in the end, you're going to return false. Going from input to send that you're comparing it equals to my goal. Remove the current element between shift up. After that, I'm pushing it back to current element. Did it work or not with the call? I'm getting two for voting. If I run and see what चलेगा नहीं तो फिर से लिखूंगा it did work 0 ms कहाँ से आ गया पागल 54 MB यूज कर रहा था 54 MB n by 310 मतलब what do you mean by n by 3 does n by 3 mean, man? Tell the math.max. There can be max for everything. First value we are getting 3. But if we have more than n by 3, n by 3 times. I know this condition was not necessary, but I'm still going to do this. I'm sorry. I need to think. It's not just n by 3. N is like 11. What the fuck? Find all the element that appears more than n by 3 times. Walk 1. How the fuck you doing walk 1? Like, literally need a fucking array. You given me to return the number as output, like which is a fucking array. Like walk 10. Maybe because of the constraint and because of few numbers, I mean, when it will reduce layers. How much number in 9? How do I see the tag here? I want a dark pink. I need a full dark pink. Given integer array of size n, find the element that how the dumb it even started raining after I was not able to solve the question. I need to find the majority element. Given me array of size n, find the element that appears more than n by 3 times. Why I can't even think of a solution? Like, I know how to find a major. They are returning it. What does n by 3 mean? Yo, why I can't think of a solution? I haven't done some questions with, but this should be an easy question, but for me it's fucking hard right now. Given an array of size n, find all the elements that appears more than n by 3 times. N by 3 times. Yo, range, what's up? बाकी सब बंद कर फालतू का गर्म कर रहा है सिस्टम को ऐसा एक नम ऐसे सारे एलिमेंट को ढूंढने जो मतलब n by 3 टाइम्स है ऐसा n by 3 कितने इजी इजी क्वेश्चंस है भाई इसने ये बोल दिया वरना मैं ये करता क्या बोलते हैं मैप लगा के सारे कौन निकाल लेता है एक ही बार मैं वाह डेल्टा कौन सा map of here, map of key, map of वही भाई, बट यहाँ पे देख, would you solve this problem in linear time and walk one space? See here, bro. See this. मेरे को पता है गलत है, मेरे को लगता है ये गलत है, ये वाला सिंटैक्स गलत है। लेट वैल्यू एंड की को डिस्ट्रक्चर किया मैप से, फिर अगर की इतना बड़ा है तो की थोड़ी बड़ा है, वैल्यू बड़ा है। वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 2, ये मेरा की होगा, ये वैल्यू एक्सिस किया तो मेरा वैल्यू अनडिफाइन इसकी मैच नहीं। मैप में गेट फंक्शन तो होता ही है, फिर क्या है, मैप में सेट फंक्शन भी होता है। नम्स ऑफ आई में जाओ, नम्स ऑफ आई का आई वैल्यू डालो जो ई पे, वैल्यू एंट्री की है सेम तो। मैं भी लगता है मुझे लगता है मैंने ये दोनों का रिप्लेसमेंट कर दिया कुछ गलत प्लेस पे, कुछ तो शायद। लगता है इसका कुछ तो N/3 जो बोला है उसको भी यूज करना चाहिए अपने को। ग्रेटर देन में नम सेट ठीक है। हाँ सेट किया, वैल्यू सेट किया यहाँ पे। सफाई यहाँ पे सेट करना है, रिजल्ट यहाँ पे डायनेमिकली हम लोग की एंड वैल्यू को क्या बोलते हैं उसको डिस्ट्रक्चरिंग कर दिया मैप से। ये वैल्यू मेरा फिर क्या इसको बोलते हैं लिमिट, इसके बराबर है, इससे मतलब ज़्यादा है, मोर ग्रेटर देन, तो रिजल्ट में पुश करेंगे। मैप ऑफ की तो हमारा रिसर्च में सही है। So what the fuck? So बंद कैसे हुआ? क्या इशू? रिजल्ट में तो पुश कर रहा हूँ। अच्छा यहाँ पे रिटर्न मार दिया मैंने। 3 आया। चलो सही काम कर रहा है टीम, पता नहीं लास्ट। भाई मेरे को ये दिमाग खराब कर दिया है, बोल रहा लीनियर में करो फिर वो अकाउंट में करो। भाई यहाँ कहाँ हुआ? वेरिएबल बना के करना है क्या? ये तो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स कर दिया मैंने इसको। रोटेट स्ट्रिंग बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स कर दिया था। रोटेट स्ट्रिंग में भी मैंने एक एरे बना दिया। मतलब कैरेक्टर ऑफ एरे बनाया, फिर उसको ज्वाइन किया, फुल कैसे किया, शिफ्ट किया, फिर अनशिफ्ट किया, फिर कुछ कर दिया। इसमें भी लोसा कर दिया मैंने। हाँ लॉल। ये क्वेश्चन मेरा कंसिडर होगा इसमें या फिर क्या है? क्या है consider? हो तो रहा है आई थिंक। नहीं हो रहा है। हाँ हो रहा है। ये क्या था? ये क्या है? मेजॉरिटी एलिमेंट 2 क्या मैंने अभी? यहाँ पे भी मैंने सेट यूज कर रखा है, डिफरेंट अप्रोच। नहीं मेरा अच्छा अभी वाला सोल्यूशन, पुराना वाला कैसे देखते हैं? हाउ डू आई सी द डिफरेंट सोल्यूशन? अबे यार नेक्स्ट मेजॉरिटी एलिमेंट मैंने पहले कर रखा है क्वेश्चन आई थिंक। इलेवन 11 है 2 भाई। नेक्स्ट ग्रेटर इसका नंबर क्या है? अरे लीड कोड का नंबर क्या है? 29। मैंने जो पुराना मेथड किया था वो क्या था? मैं पहली बार कर रहा हूँ ये, पहले कर रहा हूँ। इसमें क्या बोल चूज करना? बस सेम थिंग। वाओ, मतलब और कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है इसका? अप्रैल 1 मतलब आज का? हाँ अप्रैल तो नहीं है। मैं सारा में यही एक ही अप्रोच यूज किया। हाँ भाई साहब, इसलिए मेरे को ये याद आ रहा था, और कोई मेथड तो सूझ ही नहीं रहा था। इसने बोला टू बी सॉल्व, कैसे सॉल्व होगा? अरे प्लेस पेस्ट तो मार दिया भाई, और कितना पेस्ट मारूं? हाउ टू ऑप्टिमाइज ब्रो? पता नहीं भाई मेरे को, मैं प्रूफ कर लिया, मेरे को ऑप्टिमाइजेशन नहीं आता। थोड़ा बहुत आता है डी से आप तो थोड़ा बहुत ये तूने पूरा मैप बनवा दिया। ये भड़वा रो रहा था कि हुआ वन स्पेस में कर दो, हुआ कहीं seriously bro, we don't need to track the maximum of two candidates and their respective count। मतलब दो एलिमेंट लो, दो एलिमेंट का काउंट मेंटेन करते जाओ। What the fuck is this? I never expected this thing। क्या ये ऑप्टिमाइज्ड है? अच्छा दो वेरिएबल बनाने की वजह से ऑप्टिमाइज्ड है। तो तूने यहाँ पे क्या किया? वापस सेकेंड पास। Why second pass if we had first pass? पहला पास में तो एक लग गया, फर्स्ट पास में फाइंड पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट, सेकंड पास में वेरीफाई कैंडिडेट अपीयर मोर देन एन टाइम। फिर से काउंट वन का लिया, सेम काउंट, फिर से वही, फिर से वही। डैम। अच्छा ये अप्रोच कितना मतलब खा रहा है? खुल जा भाई। 31% beats 31% this price। देखना लगा। Oh भाई साहब। Oh, because of her it got so much time। फर्स्ट पास का समझ नहीं आया, फर्स्ट पास। I mean like second pass का, फर्स्ट पास तो फिर से वही कर रहा, फिर से अगर ये नहीं कर रहा था, अगर तेरे को पहले ही मिल गया फर्स्ट पास में जो भी करना है, शुरू ना पाया करके खत्म। What do you mean by that? I've already gone through the whole array and got the major element, two major elements। Then what the fuck you need? Just compare the threshold and return। What's really Bangalore metro. Have some courtesy and hey, for internship, who the fuck goes to Bangalore? And what kind of internship? Are you really asking me to do what I think? This is a good. Oh, this is pretty much big. What the fuck is holy shit? A place for everyone? Or is this like the whole building is that belong to this company or like a floor belongs to this company? Company look good, but I don't know. I can't do. I can't do repeat. It's not my cup of. If I want me to do internship, I have to come to the Bangalore and you're going to pay me 10K for that thing and that. Serious, bro. Assessment history. Wait. It is supposed to be easy question. If you are a string representing the attendance record of a student where each character signifies whether student was absent, late, present on the day. The record only contains. Okay, we have it already. I don't need to write it. A for absent, L for late, and P for present. Student is eligible for attendance if they meet both the following criteria. The student was absent strictly fewer than 2 days in total, and student was never late for 3 days or more consecutive days. So what are the conditions? We have A should be less than my 2 and L should be less than my present doesn't matters. Only matters is like A and L. Now we're going to maintain a counter. Let A count L count. Student was never late for Should I put else if or like what is wrong? What is wrong? LLE. It's true. A count should be less than and L count should be less than. Yes, it is true. Then it became false. Yo, neighbor. I'm checking if it is both are equal, then only I'm like, the fuck it's. For A it is overall, but for the L it should be consecutive. Because they meet both the following criteria. So need to check for both. You don't really need to see L. I mean P. You don't even need to see P, I guess. What we need is like we need to see A and L is there. A should be less than my 12 2 days. Which is A count should be less than my 2 and L count should be less than my 3. Then I'm going to return. If my A count is greater than 2 and L count is greater than, why do we need to see that? Yeah, admit it. Fill up, fill up, fill up. Fuck you. It's just true. What about this? It's just true for everything. What the fuck? Hey, getting everything is true, man. Get the fuck. Instead of comparing it here, you can compare it sides. Three consecutive sides. If my A count is already open for minimum time it takes for all to receive signal. What the heck? Graph. Not expert graph. Expert outline. First, I'll go on hammer. Yeah, I found it. But this is not possible anymore. I need to learn this. I'll go and have my food first and I will be right back after a few minutes. So today how much questions we have solved? I don't believe it. How do we delete a node? How do we delete a node in Git? Should I make it as some define? But my fifth index got skipped by what? 1, 2, and 3 had to be deleted at 5. Delete as 3. 0 and 3 and 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. But no 6 and 7 is there. Oh, then why my 5 not did not get deleted, bro? What the fuck is this? Given rule of 1 in 3, each node in a tree has a distinct value. After deleting all the nodes, the value is delete. We are left with the forest, forest क्या होता है? डिलीट करना नल बनाना. Not every time I भी को डिलीट करना था. How the hell is this work?
Greetings everybody, Master Pulkumar Patil. Welcome to LeetCode problem solving series. Today we are going to solve the question 1812, determine color of a chessboard square. So we will start by understanding our problem and then directly move to the optimized approach for solving the problem, because the problem is much simpler and easy today to solve. So let's just start by understanding our problem, what it is trying to say. So as you can see, we are given a complete chessboard, okay, in the problem, and our task is that first of all the input which will be given to us, okay, it will be in a form of string, and the string will only and only contain two characters. The characters are also fixed, okay. In the constraints given that the first character, or we can say the zeroth index, will contain a letter from A to H, okay, and the second, like we can second character, or we can say first index character, will contain numbers from 1 to 8. Okay, now what this will form, this will form a position. Okay, let's say we have first test case which is A1, okay, in second we have H3. So these are the positions of a square in a chessboard. As you can see, this one, this the cursor, the square where cursor is pointing of mine, which it is A1. Okay, now let's say we take this square, okay, this square, this square is E and 5. So this is E5. So this way we are given a position of a square in a chessboard. What our task is that we need to check if the given square to us is white or black. If it is white, then we need to return true, and if it's not white, then we need to return false. This is a simple task. As you can see, A1, it is black in color, so we need to return false. But another test case which is H3, now here as you can see, it is H and 3. So H3 is white in color, so we will return true for it. Okay, this is our simple task that we need to do. Now let's just move directly to optimize approach. See, many of you would just try to solve it like in a brute force way, like by using nested loops to continuously iterate and check if the complete given part is like white in color or black in color. Or another approach, which is the most brute force one, too much redundant, it is that we need to declare a nested vector. Okay, like nested vector in this way, a vector, and inside that another vector of boolean value.
Yeah, I guess that's it for now. So on my next streams, probably I will be focusing